Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this very important video, we are going to show you how you can apply for this easy credit card with no credit check at all. This video has step-by-step guide, means you can fill out the application with us in this video, which will allow you to apply for this credit card and get approved for it. So that's why we request you to please watch this video till the end, and don't forget to share this video with your loved ones if they are looking for a credit card even with bad credit. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it, and please smash the like button as it helps this video reach to the wider audience. So let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So the biggest opportunity is right in front of you. As you can see that if you have a bad credit, then Credit One Bank gives you that opportunity to acquire the credit card and the credit limit that you deserve. Yes, don't worry about it if you have bad credit, worse credit or no credit. This credit card is a perfect fit for you. Remember that we are going to take you on a step-by-step guide, means how you can fill out the application, apply for this card and get approved for it. Remember, the greatest thing when it comes to this credit card, that there is no impact to your credit score when you get pre-qualified for it, and this is indeed one of the biggest opportunity of any credit cards gives you right now in these current time when the people are struggling right now. So first see that what this credit card offers, and then we will take you to the application of this credit card, means how you can fill it and how you can apply for this card. So are you ready? Let's get into it. So at first, that this card says that they have several cards such as Platinum X5 Visa card, Platinum Visa card for rebuilding credit, Credit One Bank American Express card. Remember, they have multiple cards with multiple capabilities. For example, this one gives you the maximum rewards. The second one gives you the opportunity to rebuild your credit if your credit is impacted or you have bad credit or worse credit at the same time. Well, the third one is American Express credit card. Yes, this is powered by American Express, so perfect for elevating your everyday experiences, means you will acquire points as far as you use it every single day. Well, they have a great reviews, but there's a lot of things to keep in mind before apply for this credit card, and we will let you know how you can do that. Well, till now they have given so much money in cashback rewards, but it doesn't matter, because remember, when you apply for a credit card with bad credit, there are a lot of catches. So yes, and we are going to give you the details of those catches as well. Well, remember that when it comes to this credit card, there's a lot of things that you can do as mentioned earlier, but first let's see that what they offer. So let's see that they have 3 cards as mentioned earlier. The first one is Platinum X5 Visa. The worst thing that we believe is that it has an annual fee of $95, and it means that when it comes to the $95, it's heck a lot of money. Yes, it is, because we believe on credit cards that don't offer or don't charge the annual fee, and right here they do charge it. But remember that if you have bad credit, this is one thing that you need to bear, and keep this in mind that when you have good credit, what you're gonna do, you can close this account anytime, and then of course go for the higher tier cards. Well, this credit card, the first one, actually needs average to excellent credit score. So if you have bad credit score or poor credit score, don't apply for this one. Well, the credit card that you need is Platinum Visa for rebuilding credit, and the great thing about it, that it gives you 1% cash back, but they do charge $75 in the first year and then $99 hereafter. Yes, you heard it absolutely right. From next year, they'll start charging you $100, and that is $8.25 per month. Yes, you can actually split it in 12 payments, which is quite nice because you're building credit and you have to pay a price for it, right? The APR is 29.24%, and then of course it's for rebuilding phase of the credit. So if you have the poor, worst or bad credit, then you can definitely apply for this card. The third one is the American Express card. It's the same thing, 1% cashback rewards. The annual fee on this one is very low, that is $39, but still it's a fee. Well, you can get it with average to excellent credit score, and the APR is same as other cards. Well, experience more rewarding ways to shop, dine, and travel with Amex offers. Of course, you can get the American Express offers, special benefits such as retail protection and travel accident insurance. And of course, all of these cards access free online credit scores. There's zero fraud liability on all cards, and they have a very easy to use app. So please keep this in mind. When it comes to view all cards, remember they have the cards that we already mentioned, but they have some more cards such as Credit One Bank Vendor Card, Platinum E3 Visa Card, Platinum Rewards Visa with no annual fee. Yes, they have one card, but right here you need to understand that this card is technically for the people who have good to excellent credit scores, so keep that in mind. Well, when it comes to the Platinum Visa card, you can get it with average credit score as well. There's secure card. We will let you know in the upcoming videos what is secure credit card, but secure credit cards, on a glimpse of it, it is something that you put a down payment or security deposit, and on the basis of that they give you a card with the money that you have given them. So that is a very strange thing to do right now, but if you're in the rebuilding phase, then of course this is one thing that you can do. They have a NASCAR American Express card. It's just a gimmick, you know, it's just WWE card if you're a fan of it. Well, we are not going to get into the details of that, because right now it's the time to see how you can pre-qualify for this card, how you can get this card, and what we need to do right here. We need to see how you can fill out the application and get the highest approval odds. So let's click right here and see if you pre-qualify. Is 3, 2, 1, let's click. When I click on it, this page will open. I'm going to zoom out a little bit so you can actually see the whole thing. Actually, I'm just going to zoom in so we go there one by one. Well, first you need to put your first name, right? Then your middle initial, then your last name. Then your mailing address if you have any, your apartment or unit number if you live in an apartment complex, your city, your state, your zip code, your email address, your full social security number. You must be thinking full social security number, it means a hard inquiry. Well, it's not. And there's a date of birth as well. So let me tell you this, and this is very, very important, right? When you fill out this application, make sure the information you actually entered right here exactly matches the information you have on your credit profile, because they will do a soft inquiry. It will not impact your credit score, but at the same time they need to verify the information that you're putting right here that should match to your information that you have on your credit report. Again, if you have any questions about this, please let us know in the comments below, and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. Make sure you share this video with your loved ones. Click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon to watch our videos every single day. And please smash the like button, as it helps this video reach to the wider audience. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.